Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video, and we're going to be looking at a site called WinTub.com, and we're going to find out whether they do actually pay out and you can actually earn money by just watching YouTube videos. Also, stay tuned right to the very end because I'm going to uncover some things that you're really going to want to know, whether you are a member now or whether you are looking to join WinTub.com. So make sure you stay tuned, and we'll go crack straight on into it and go and have a look at the website WinTub.com. So as you can see, come on to the WinTub website here, and obviously it says here earn money watching videos, watching new videos online. Okay, this is how you can get started and more about it. So how does it work? Basically, you watch the videos, they're commercial ads, movies, TV shows online, and it's a perfect way to earn money at WinTub. You refer friends, will confirm as soon as your friend joins. You'll get $1 and your friend gets $5. So in other words, if you were to join through my link, I would get $1 for you joining. You would also get a $5 bonus for joining. Then you also get paid as the money flows. You can transfer your money into your bank account, do PayPal account, and more options. Okay, so these are some of the people that they have partnered with. They said they've partnered with over 1,500 brands to offer you videos every single time. Really easy to obviously get started, and obviously they've got some contact pages here, that sort of thing, and about us page. So let's just click on the about us page. Okay, so this is on the about us page. Ooh, okay, that is what you do get with the WinTub site. Whenever you click on things, you do get ads that come up. This is, so you've got to be prepared for that. So if we then try to scroll down again, as you can see, that is actually blocked the ad that time. But as you can see, I'm doing nothing apart from trying to scroll down their About Us page. And there's another one that's come up again. So, and again, look, this just keeps happening. It will do it till you get to a certain point, and then it will let you scroll. There you go. So we've watched 3 or 4 ads, and then it lets you actually scroll down. So that is the only annoying thing with WinTub. You do get lots of different ads that come up on their site. But of course, that is obviously where they make their money, because you click on those ads, you download things. But what I would say is do not click on anything that's on WinTub, and do not download anything on WinTub. So let's go and sign in and see whether you can actually earn money. Just watching YouTube ads. So I'm going to go and try and sign in, log in now, and see how that works. Okay, so I was able to come straight in to my account, which was pretty good. But then we obviously, oh, but look, you see, got another button here that's just popped up. But it says here my balance is $10.43, and I've got no videos available at the moment, purely because I've obviously clicked on them last night. But as you can see here, video 1 is 61 cents, video 2 is 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents, and 56 cents. But that is it, guys. There's 5 videos. Now you can only click on these 5 videos once every 24 hours. Okay, so I've got another 4 hours and 34 minutes left before I can actually do this. So I might just come back a bit later and obviously just click on one of these videos just to show you how easy it is to obviously add that money to your account. But before we do, okay, so we've come over to my Make Money Online Facebook group. I've got obviously nearly 31,000 members. So if you are interested in making money, obviously make sure you join the group as well. And if you scroll down, there is someone that's actually been posting, which is how I got to make this video. There's some guy in here was saying that he obviously had $80 sent through from WinTub. So I thought I'd go and check this out and see if this is legit. And obviously I've done so far. I've come onto the website itself. I've clicked on a few videos and I've actually earned $10.43. So I'm going to continue obviously with the videos and see whether I can meet that $80 threshold. And then obviously we can then see whether we can pull out that money into our PayPal account. You can see here, you've obviously got referrals here, and you've obviously got your profile, and you can withdraw. So we click on the withdraw, and this is the ways that you can obviously withdraw. So they do Western Union, which is $100, $150, $200. PayPal is $80, $100, $150. You've got Web Money as well, and you've got Payoneer as well. Now, the only problem or issue I've got with this is they're very, very high amounts before you actually can withdraw. Most of the survey companies and that sort of thing have a limit of about $5. Okay, $5 to $10 before you can actually pay out. Oh, I've clicked on something there, tried to scroll down, and obviously we've got another pop-up again. So again, this is, so we'll get rid of those, and we'll try and go back to my dashboard. You can see we just keep getting pop-ups of different things. Back to the dashboard. No, that's taking me to another site. All the ads are blocked, so keep going, and we go back to the dashboard again. No, we're going to go through 5 or 6 of these again. So I'll just stop the video and get back to my account. Okay, so we're now back to my dashboard here. So like I say, that is a lot of money to obviously be paying out before you reach your threshold. But as you can see, they are actually giving you a high amount per video. And that is another sort of red flag, because are people actually going to pay them more than 61 cents to actually for people to view 30 seconds of their video? Maybe not, I don't know. So let's just keep an open mind at the moment. But what I will do before we quickly go is let's go and just check out a site called Trustpilot. And as you can see here, WinTub here, they've had 85 reviews. And it's not looking that good, guys. They are 93% bad. Scam, doesn't pay. Joined just a couple of weeks ago. Tried to access my videos again, and it states that my password and email don't match. Bad. This is too bad. Only as shown. It's making fool to people. I don't quite know who's writing that. It's not English, obviously. If I would, I could give it a 0 star if I could. Don't waste your time. It's a scam site. You'll never get paid. So at the moment, guys, it is looking pretty doubtful that things are going to happen. But I will keep following this through, and I'll probably do an updated video later when I've actually hit my $80 as to whether I can actually pull it out or not. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come back onto our WinTub and we've got a video here I can now click on. They're very, very sneaky because you have to actually scroll it up so you can get to the button here. And obviously every time you try and scroll up, they hit you with more advertising and more things to download. So this is all you'd have to do is just click the button and then just wait 34 seconds for your... This is a... Okay, so once you've hit the 34 seconds, this button comes up then, it says complete. So all you do then is hit the button, which completes the video. And it says, successfully completed, you've received 61 cents. So now all you do is click on the next video. And as you can see, my balance has gone up. And like I say again, you need to scroll down. And then obviously just hit the...
I'm here to prove the purple mattress blows memory foam.
Hit the play button and then obviously watch it again for another 34 seconds. I'm going to continue going through all 4 videos here, and then I'll show you how it's been added to my account. Now just come back onto this video. As you can see here, the video itself is only 30 seconds long. Obviously we need 34 seconds. So all you do is just click it back a little way.
And connect. Expo 2020, Dubai.
And there we go. Obviously we can now complete it. And another 47 cents is added. Okay, let's finish off these last 2 videos. Okay, so as you can see, my balance has gone up to $12.91, and I've now got 23 hours, etc. left to watch the videos again. At the moment, I would leave WinTub definitely alone and don't join it yet until I've actually proved that you can actually pull your money out. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, big as the thumbs up there for us. Don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make new videos about making money online. Also, don't forget to check out this video next, and we will see you on the next video.